Thank you very much, Bosun. Good morning, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Let me start by recognizing the presence of the Acting Director General of the Securities and Exchange Commission of Nigeria, Mrs. Mary Udok. I also want to recognize the presence of the Senior Special Assistant to the President on ICT, Mr. Lanre Oshibona. I'm calling them out because I want you to know that while this is largely a gathering of the private sector, the government is here as well. And it's important that they understand the evolution of digitization in Nigeria as they create policies and regulations around digitization. So once again, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome. Good morning. I am pleased to welcome you to the third edition of the Nigerian Stock Exchange Market Data Workshop. In 2016, we held the maiden edition with the theme, Understanding Market Data for Smart Investments and Wealth Creation, where we impressed upon market participants the importance of market data in making sound investment decisions. In 2017, we explored the theme, Market Data, the Bedrock of Wealth Creation, where we discussed the use of market data in mobile trading and in the implementation of price data strategies for high-end returns. In line with the strategic goals of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, we will discuss the use of market data as an enabler for key drivers of emerging technologies in transforming the role of the capital market infrastructure under the theme Digitization, Disruption, and Financial Inclusion. Over the past few years, the finance industry in Nigeria has experienced tremendous transformation caused by disruptive technologies. In recent years, the Nigerian customers have become accustomed to the digital experience offered by companies such as Google, Amazon, and Facebook with the use of smartphones. According to research, smartphone penetration in Nigeria, that is the percentage of adults owning a smartphone, is estimated at 28%, with 76% of internet traffic routed through mobile phone. In response to the exponential growth in mobile phone operation by an exploding young population, banks are adopting new technologies with customer-centric focus to make financial services more inclusive and to provide a superior customer experience in the access and use of capital. Despite its relatively slow adoption in Nigeria, mobile money users, according to electronic payment fact sheet provided by the Nigerian Interbank Settlement System PLC, or NIBS, reportedly grew from 2.3 million in 2017 to about 8 million as of June 2018. This indicates about 348% growth in adoption in a space of 6 months. In the capital market ecosystem, digitization is fast gaining momentum. Purpose-built solutions are being developed to reduce redundancies, cut costs, and increase efficiencies for greater transparency and alpha returns. Many global investment banks and buy-side firms are investing in artificial intelligence to aid with pattern recognition with the goal of deriving alpha-generating insights. For example, Goldman Sachs' investment in Kensho and UBS and Deutsche Bank's investment in Scream. In 2015, NASDAQ unveiled the use of its NASDAQ-linked blockchain ledger technology to successfully complete and record private securities transactions. As emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, cloud technology, and distributed ledger technology potentially disrupts the capital market infrastructure, access to market data will improve through efficiencies and transparency brought by these technologies for advantage to non-professional investors. For example, blockchain or distributed ledger can create smart contracts enabled with the encryption for transactions. This will help in using real-time data to create efficient settlement and transaction processing without the need for traditional intermediaries. In view of all this, market data, in the most traditional sense, being price and trade-related data of exchange-traded products, is a fundamental ingredient for some digital solutions in the capital market. High-quality, trusted market data is now, more than ever before, required to, 1, support advanced trading strategies, 2, improve regulatory compliance, and 3, simplify the processes of trading and clearing. Artificial intelligence has the potential to replace and improve upon the thinking of analysts by screening large volumes of market data, brokerage reports, company annual reports and results, etc., and framing answers to questions to make good investment decisions. Leveraging on its distributed ledger technology, blockchain can help in the distribution of market data to clients in a secured fashion, reduces systemic risks by insider trading through the automation of surveillance events processing, and saves costs associated with using intermediaries for verification, trade audits, and record keeping. The overall participation of the Nigerian capital markets in the fourth industrial revolution is far less than that of our counterparts in developed and emerging economies. To ensure that Nigeria remains a globally competitive investment destination, we need to deepen the collaborative efforts among market stakeholders to determine which emerging technologies to pursue within our markets and local contexts. This year's theme provides a unique opportunity to assess these 3 key areas of digitization, disruptive technologies, and financial inclusion to offer solutions for the challenges facing our capital markets. It is our hope that this workshop will catalyze the critical thinking and collaborations that are required to boost the development of innovation, data-driven solutions, as well as their uptake by the investing populace. The Nigerian Stock Exchange is strategically positioned for deep engagement with market stakeholders and economic actors towards the implementation of game-changing technologies that have the potential to catalyze growth in the Nigerian capital market. Since the launch of the NSE's multi-asset trading platform, XGen, in 2013, our market data products and services offerings have transformed the reach of and access to the Nigerian capital market and indeed our economy. As sophisticated investors in our market continue to evolve, we also continue to provide innovative market data products. We currently have over 50 market data products that assist to make informed investment and business decisions. Our fixed and API platforms built on cutting-edge technology provide necessary infrastructural support for timely and reliable data and information delivery across the globe. Our focus on innovative and disruptive solutions is also built around our market data. We're innovating with smart channels that can deliver on-demand data to investors, including USSD, mobile apps, SMS, and IVR. This year, we rolled out XPay, the e-payment platform for the exchange, which enables users to conveniently make payments for products, services, events, and trainings offered by the exchange. XPay platform is available on the NSC website and can be accessed on PCs, tablets, and smartphones, and other mobile devices. The platform delivers faster and safer payment method, which is protected by best-in-class IT and card security features in line with global best practices. We are also forging strategic partnerships with data analytics firms and other actors in the fintech ecosystem to develop solutions which will help our investors around the world optimize investment decision making. For this reason, the NSC established the Enterprise Innovation Hub in August 2018. The hub is well positioned to incubate and accelerate ideas that meet market needs through collaborative partnerships. Before I take my leave, I would like to appreciate our sponsors, Sterling Bank, PLC, Zanibel Solutions Nigeria Limited, Maritime Securities Limited, Neurologic Solutions Limited, Eagle Global Markets, CSL Stockbrokers, Wapik Insurance, GEMS Consult, and Entel, as well as our media partners for their kind contributions to the success of this event. Leading today's all-important conversations, we have a carefully selected panel of thought leaders from across West Africa's financial industry and rapidly evolving fintech ecosystem. I thank our speakers for their support and valuable perspectives, and all our distinguished guests for making the time to be here. Finally, to the extraordinary team at the NSC, who I call African champions, who have worked very hard to put this workshop together. Thank you very much for your efforts in making this event successful. I trust that today's proceedings will be a catalyst to proactively harness these technologies to evolve your business with new processes that create value for the customer. I therefore urge us to participate actively and look forward to fruitful deliberations. Thank you very much.